In a small, peaceful neighborhood by the riverside, there was a cat named Mew. Mew was not an ordinary cat. His pure white fur always gleamed under the moonlight, and his bright blue eyes held an endless curiosity. Since he was little, Mew always felt different. While other cats in the neighborhood often played or lazily slept under the sunlight, Mew preferred gazing at the night sky. One night, while sitting on an old roof, Mew saw a dazzling light falling from the sky. That light fell into the forest at the end of the street. Curiosity drove Mew to explore. He gently jumped off the roof, followed the narrow path, and entered the dark forest. The thick darkness enveloped everything, but the light still flickered amid the dense foliage. As he got closer, Mew realized it was a sparkling crystal lying among the dry leaves. The crystal emitted a gentle, warm glow that Mew couldn't take his eyes off. Suddenly, a deep voice resonated. "You have been chosen." Startled, Mew looked around but saw no one. The voice continued, "I am the spirit of life. You possess a pure heart and courage, so you are granted the power of life." Mew curiously asked, "What is this power for?" "To protect the weak and fight against the spreading darkness," replied the spirit. "But this power only truly manifests when used with kindness and sincerity." As the words ended, the crystal vanished, and Mew felt a warm energy flowing through his body. His fur lit up brightly, and his eyes became clearer and deeper than ever. Since that day, Mew was no longer an ordinary cat. He began to notice changes around him. Whenever someone was in trouble, just by Mew's presence and touch, sadness seemed to fade away. However, the power didn't always work. Once, Mew tried to help an injured bird, but the light didn't appear. Mew realized that the power only worked when he genuinely wanted to help without any selfish intent. One day, a gigantic shadow engulfed the neighborhood. That darkness brought coldness, making the trees wither and the animals panic. Mew knew it was the sign of the greedy shadow, an evil entity that devours life and joy. With all his courage, Mew moved toward the heart of the darkness. As the shadow tried to consume him, Mew closed his eyes and remembered the moments when he helped others. The small joys when seeing the smiles of the saved creatures. The light within Mew burst forth powerfully, tearing the darkness into hundreds of fragments, fading away like smoke. The neighborhood returned to peace, and every creature felt the warmth from Mew's life. From then on, Mew was not just a peculiar cat, but a symbol of kindness and bravery. Every night, the glow from Mew's fur became a small lantern guiding those who were lost. But Mew never grew arrogant about his power. He continued to live simply, quietly helping others with a sincere heart. And despite many challenges, Mew always remembered the spirit of life's words. True power comes from kindness, not strength.
Thank you.